Hello everyone. Today's topic is sample question paper. Chapter sample question paper 2019 to 2020. Subject geography class 12. Slide 1. Name the headquarters of Northern Railway Zone of India. First, Lucknow. Second, Kanpur. Third, New Delhi. Fourth, Chandigarh. Slide 2. Here there is a picture which explains Northern Zone of India. Slide 3. Land degradation in irrigated areas is caused by which of following reason? First one, gully erosion. Second, wind erosion. Third, salinization of soil. Fourth, siltation of land. Slide 4. Here there is a picture which explains gully erosion. Slide 5. Here there is a picture which explains wind erosion. Slide 6. Here there is a picture which explains salinization of soil. Slide 7. Here there is a picture which explains siltation of land. Slide 8. Southwest monsoon in India coincides with which cropping season? First one Kharif, second one Rabi, third one Zaid, fourth one none of the above. Slide 9. Here there is a picture which explains Kharif crops. Slide 10. Here there is a picture which explains Rabi crop. Slide 11. Here there is a picture which explains summer crops, that means Zaid crops. Slide 12. The chief gateways of the world of international trade are the harbors and ports. Justify the statement with example. First point. The chief gateway of the world is composed of the international harbors, and they are the ports and harbors and the country that is composed of the doors and the pathways of the trade between the nations, and thus regarded as the system that keep in the flow of the imports and exports in operation. Slide 13. The ports and harbors are the places that have remained important trading centers for the times, and they provide a shelter to ports and are a man-made feature for the uploading and the loading. Also acts as the ports of entry for the pickup of the passenger, and they are classified as the nature and the man-made and as a strategic naval and the economic. They are essential for the country's economic, or thus called as the gateway of the development and growth in terms of the movement of traffic and dispersal of the population. Slide 14. How is possibilism different from environmental determinism? Explain with suitable examples. The ideas of environmental determinism state that the environment has a domination impact on the life of his thoughts are shaped by the physical environment, and hence man is a slave and the environment is a master of his freedom. Example for this. The example of this determination is that of the tribes and the native people that worship the land, sun and the mountains. Slide 15. Occurrence of the natural disaster like the floods and the cyclone also tells about the laws that nature has made, and this need to be followed to remain in harmony. While on the opposite side, the possibilists like the French Librieux and the Jean Brunches define possibilism as the due force that man applies to transform his problems to the solution with his intellect and overcomes all the hurdles set forth to him. Example. The example of the opportunities that nature has to give, like the solar, wind and the water energy, which man has trapped and converted into non-conventional energy. Slide 16. Thank you everyone.